Hey, back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX channel. This is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you like OnePlus 70 portrait ROM for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let me show you here. As you can see, this is the OnePlus 70 portrait ROM for this Redmi Note 7 Pro with Android 10 version only, and even the Oxygen version is also Oxygen OS version is also 10 only. But some of the things that are really good in this ROM we'll be seeing one by one in this ROM. If you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below. It's in red color, make it black, and allow the notification by pressing that bell icon. And also, if you like the video, give it a like also. And let's begin the video. And this is the Oxygen OS 10 version based on Android 10 OnePlus 70 portrait ROM on this Redmi Note 7 Pro, and this is the settings panel you get based on Oxygen OS 10, and this is the wallpaper and settings. Let me show you here. As you can see, these are the pre-installed wallpapers you get. You can change from here, and these are the icons you get, and notch also. Let me show you notch style also here. And the good thing in this ROM is Dolby Atmos app is pre-installed in this ROM. This is going to helpful for you while using wired earphones, not working in Bluetooth earphones like this or Bluetooth speakers, and even the speaker with speaker. You can enjoy this Dolby Atmos settings. Let me go here. As you can see, you get dynamic film, music, custom. You can choose based upon your apps whichever you want to see. This how works. Even the intelligent equalizer, you can turn it on from here by choosing this settings. It will definitely going to enhance your audio experience after using this ROM. After pressing this, it will be definitely going to improve your performance in the audio terminology. And coming to like Geekbench scores, in this ROM you will get single score as 499, which is almost near 500, and the multi score is 1568, which is really good for a Redmi Note 7 Pro of this Snapdragon 675. It's really good scores considering the Oxygen OS Android 10 build. It's really good. And coming to settings, let me show you like Wi-Fi, internet working fine, Bluetooth, casting, everything is working fine. And the display, you get this screen calibration. You will definitely see the difference, not simply they have given here. It will be useful. And notch display, you can select here without notch and with notch. These things are given in this ROM. And apps to display in full screen, you can choose which all the apps you need. And night mode is given, reading mode is given, vibrant color effect also given. You can enhance it even further. Ambient display also you can turn it on from here. Font size, display size, status bar, auto rotate screen, screensaver, all these things are given in this ROM. In the customization, you get vibrant tints like this, 3 pre-installed themes here, wallpapers as I already shown here, and the clock style also you can choose from here if you turn on the ambient display, and horizontal light, those things are also given. And even the system customization, you can choose the accent color and here the tone like this. If you want to choose dark theme from here, and accent color picker, and even the icon pack also you can change from here. If you want, you can customize further. Even the font also 2 pre-installed are given in this ROM. This working fine. Even the OnePlus dialer is given. Let me show you one. You can directly make the video call from this ROM. Many people will ask this. Do ask such questions such that I can include in the video. Ask your questions. How many of the questions if you want to ask, you can ask here. No limitations, anything wrong here. Please go and ask the questions such that I will answer in the next video. And as you can see, even the call recording feature is also available. Even you can choose auto record calls. All these settings are given in this ROM. It's really working fine in this ROM. And you get OnePlus Messenger and MyJio, all the applications. As you can see, I am using plenty of applications already in this ROM. And coming to CPU throttling test, Okay, I already made it. Let me show in the gallery. Let me go here into the gallery and okay, just the latest one. As you can see, the average performance is 120 GB chips and minimum is this one and the maximum is this. It's really good. As you can see, there is no lot of throttling, only little bit of throttling has been done after using this CPU throttling app. And coming to camera, you get SnapCam pre-installed in this ROM. Let me show you. All the features are working fine in this ROM. The camera is pre-built. As you can see, it's a SnapCam. You get all the options. Even when you go into the night side, as you can see, you will get astrophotography mode also. It's working fine, no problem in this ROM. You can use it as a daily driver for camera lovers also. It's a good ROM. Yes, it's Android 10 build only. I already made a video on Resection Remix Android 10 build ROM. Do check out that video. You will understand more about Android 10 and the customization what people like rather than the Android versions. I explained there. Please do watch that video and come back here. And coming to safety status, it will get passed since device is certified. As you can see, it's get passed, no problem in this one. You can definitely use this ROM as a daily driver. It's really good. Coming to DRM info, as you can see, it's a level 1 certified. You can watch HD content in OTT apps, no problem, and you will get this game turbo like effect. As you can see, you can add here games and play, and if you go into the settings here, you get all this kind of settings. You can try it out, all these settings, and you get two file manager. One is Google one, another one is OnePlus. I mean the Oxygen OS version like that, and even the Google Pay, everything payment apps are also working fine, no problem in this ROM. You can use the payment apps also. It's working fine, no problem when making payments or anything like that. It's fine. And coming to settings, I explained up to sound and vibration. Let me go into sound and vibration. You get this Dolby Atmos effect here. If you plug in the earphones, you get further more options, and this how you can choose the Dolby Atmos, which will definitely going to increase or enhance your experience while listening the audio from even speakers, even using with wired earphones. And touch vibration feedback, you can enable or disable. Even you can increase the strength of the vibration from here. And coming to volume panel, as you can see, you get this kind of volume panel, Oxygen OS type, and even you can choose the media output from here, no problem. And this is the status bar icons you get in this ROM. And coming to apps and notifications, you get all this kind of settings, and buttons and gestures are also given. Navigation bar and gesture settings, as you can see, you will get these kind of different settings in this ROM. If you want, you can choose different settings for your navigation. And quick activate the assistant app and long press to take a photo. Those things are given. And security and lock screen, fingerprint unlock and face unlock is also. And even smart lock is given. Advanced settings also you get. Let me show you the fingerprint scanner speed. As you can see, just tap unlock. You need to tap it correctly, then only it gets unlock. And coming to face unlock, let me show you. As you can see, it's quickest. After a long time I am saying quickest face unlock on this Redmi Note 7. It's really good, quick. As you can see, no animation, anything like that. As you can see, just see it, it's get unlocked. Fingerprint scanner is also okay, no problem in this ROM. And this is how the Oxygen OS 10 based on Android 10 OnePlus 7T ported ROM for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's really good. You can definitely try it out. Those who cares for performance is a main criteria, then only you can try this ROM. It's really good. And let me show you the BGMI settings, and if you like the video, give it a like. And coming to games like BGMI, let me show you here. This is the graphic settings you get. Smooth plus 90 fps. As you can see, by default it's enabled in HD and high. HDR you don't get it, but in smooth you are getting 90 fps since it's a OnePlus 70 port it's getting. But anyhow you need to keep extreme and play 90 fps. The hardware level of 90 frames per second is not available on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. I hope you understand and keep it in extreme and enjoy the gameplay. I already tried it with several matches. I am not including the gameplay because it's going to be lengthy and you guys are not watching complete videos, hence I am not making it completely. Even the Call of Duty is also working fine with highest settings. Everything is fine. Let me show you here. As you can see, you get this kind of icon effect if you change the app. Those thing is also working fine in this ROM. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver. It's really good. The RAM management is also good. Even every app is also working fine here. No compatible issues here, and I am showing here the 100 Mbps plan speed I have, and it's pulling up to 95 to 96 Mbps. It's working fine, no problem with internet connection. Even the earpiece quality, call reception, everything is same as any ROM. No echo type or any problem in this ROM. You can use it as a daily driver. Let me show you with internet connection also. Let me turn it on here, and if I get 4G plus, yes, I am getting 4G plus, and you will be seeing some change in speeds. If it is just 4G, the speeds are decreased here. As you can see, this is how the speeds I am going to get with Wi-Fi and mobile internet, both the things I have shown here. And this is how the performance in this ROM. If I forget anything, do mention down in the comment section below. And if you are already using this ROM, I just received this in Telegram like just now I received, and I downloaded the ROM and I am making review. I hope you guys support me by subscribing my channel, and if you really liked the video, give it a like also. The performance is really good and the features are also good. Just it's the sake of Android 10, don't ignore such ROMs. You will be see a better performance in these kind of ROMs rather than Android 12 or 11. And do comment down below what is the current ROM you are using on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. In the another video, we will be seeing many more videos on this channel, and this Sampath FX signing off. Bye bye for now.